Welsh Water is working hard to look after the land, rivers and reservoirs to protect your drinking water now and for years to come. Your water goes on a pretty big journey. From a cloud in the sky, each raindrop runs from the land and finds its way to streams, rivers and into our reservoirs. Along the way, it might bump into things that affect its purity, which means we have to use chemicals and energy to get it perfect for our customers to drink. This costs a lot of extra money and can damage our beautiful environment. By working with lots of people such as farmers, foresters, walkers and communities, we can change the way we look after the land together. It's a better way of doing things and will help improve the quality of water before it reaches our water treatment works. We call this WaterSource. Welsh Water, your not-for-profit water company.